In this video, I will show you how to make face clear in CapCut. So let me show you step by step. Step 1, go to this effects, go to this filter. After you go to the filter, go to life. So under the life, there is 3 filter. You need to choose one of them. So you can choose this nature, glow, or clear. So you can use any one of this filter. They will make your face clear. So I'll use this one, the nature. So I'll change the duration. So I'll just click on the nature filter, go to this intensity and reduce the intensity 50 or T. After that, now go to this. After that, now click on the video or the picture. Go to this video basic, scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so now click on this option, enhance quality. Check on it, and then click on this option. So here, go ahead and choose this UHD. So from there, now it will go through all the video or the picture and enhance the quality of the video itself, including your face. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Just you need to wait it to finish loading at this option. As you can see now, it's counting. And that's it.